Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you one from those unnecessary but pretty cool tricks that you can use here and also show to your friends. So first of all, you have to locate and open Apple Store. Here it is. Now in search area, enter 10 years. And that's it. As you can see now, you've got balloons here, you can play with them. And actually that's all about this trick. Then to close it, just tap on cross icon. But that's not the end. You can also enter here, let it snow. And as you can see, here you've got the snowflakes. If you'll have the night mode active, it would be a bit more visible. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.